रिसोर्स जुनसुकै माध्यमबाट पाउन सक्छौँ त्यसलाई भन्छौँ इन्फर्मेसन। अर्को रहेको छ कम्युनिकेसन। Communication, act of transforming message process whereby information is exchanged between individuals using symbol, say or verbal information. Communication चाहिँ के हो त? Act of transforming message process. जुनसुकै नलेजहरूलाई ट्रान्सफर गर्ने, मेसेजलाई, प्रोसेसलाई विभिन्न सिम्बलहरूलाई प्रयोग गरेर के गर्ने त? ट्रान्सफर गर्ने चाहिँ कम्युनिकेसन। अर्को रहेको छ टेक्नोलोजी। साइन्टिफिक नलेज, एक्सपिरियन्स एन्ड रिसर्च टु क्रिएट प्रोसेस एन्ड प्रडक्ट द्याट फुलफिल ह्युमन निड्स। साइन्टिफिक नलेज, एक्सपिरियन्स एन्ड रिसर्चहरू टु क्रिएट प्रोसेसहरू क्रिएट गर्ने रिसर्चहरूलाई, नलेजहरूलाई यसलाई भन्छ टेक्नोलोजी। ICT refers to the forms of technology that is to transmit, store, create, share or exchange particular task. Then ICT मिलेपछि चाहिँ तीनवटै वर्ड मिलेर के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि ले सबै काम गर्ने। पहिलो त नलेज, त्यसपछि ट्रान्सफर, त्यसपछि निड फुलफिल गर्ने प्रोसेस। The technology of the production, storage and communication of information using electronic devices such as mobile, computer, etc. विभिन्न इलेक्ट्रोनिक डिभाइसहरू युज गरेर चाहिँ हामी कम्युनिकेट गर्न सक्छौँ। The field of IT is very wide field. IT बाट नै ICT आएको हो। यो धेरै डिफरेन्ट टु द फिल्ड हो। यो भयो ICT को इन्ट्रोडक्सन। अब हेरौँ सिस्टम एन्ड theory uses। ICT को सिस्टम के छ र कसरी युज गर्छ, कहाँ युज गर्छ भन्ने कुरा। An ICT system is a set of consists of hardware, software, data and the people who use them. It commonly includes communication technologies such as the internet. ICT and computers are not the same thing. ICT and computers are not the same thing. कतिपय ठाउँमा कतिपय मान्छेले चाहिँ ICT र कम्प्युटर भनेको एउटै हो भनेर सोच्छन्। किनकि हामीले ICT पनि कम्प्युटरबाटै चलाइरहेका हुन्छौँ प्रायः जसो, त्यही भएर नि होला। तर यो एउटै कुरा होइन, फरक हो। कम्प्युटर डिभाइस भयो, ICT प्रोसेसरहरू, टेक्नोलोजीहरू यो भयो। Computers are the hardware that is often part of an ICT system. This is why it's important not just learn about computers but about how, why and when people use them. It is the power of computers and communication that has allowed ICT system to become so important. Like any piece of equipment, the important thing about it is what it lets us do. About कहाँ use हुन्छ त? ICT system are used in a number of environments such as office, shops, factory, aircraft, say. पिक्चरमा नि देखाएको छ नि त ICT कहाँ युज हुन सक्छ भन्ने कुरा। यो त केही मात्रै भयो लाइन्स। They are also used in fields such as communication, medicine, farming, education, etc. अरू क्षेत्रमा पनि ICT युज हुन्छ। Importance of ICT system. More productive. We can complete a greater number of tasks in the same time. It reduces cost by using computers than we could prior to their invention. Next, able to deal with vast amounts of information and process it quickly. Able to transmit and receive information rapidly. So, ICT is most important at that present time. अर्को रहेको छ ICT Strategic Framework. The ICT Strategic Framework provides a high-level framework for the effective management of information and technology to ensure ICT systems are controlled and maintained in line with corporate objectives and emerging ICT चाहिँ विभिन्न फ्रेमवर्कहरूको रूपमा प्रयोग भइरहेको हुन्छ जुन चाहिँ Effective management of information and technology ensure गर्नुको लागि the ICT strategy frameworks will be accompanied by supporting documents and tools such as ICT maturity models, templates, and examples, documents, policies, and strategies, plans, which are key resources for the effective implementation of framework. The ICT Strategic Framework establishes an ICT baseline which identifies the minimum requirements for the effective provision of information management and information technology service to effectively support local government operation. ICT framework चाहिँ local government operationलाई effectively support गरिरहेको हुन्छ। अर्को छ ICT Strategic Framework को purpose। Number 1 फर्स्टमा छ assess chief executive officers, executive team and elected member to better understand the complexity of managing information and technology within local government. Encourage local governments to improve, operate at or above the ICT baseline standard. Encourage पनि गरिरहेको हुन्छ। Ensure ICT is adequately managed to support all aspects of local government operation. ICT ले विभिन्न local government operationहरूको aspect पनि manage गरिरहेको हुन्छ। Support all related elements of the integrated planning and reporting framework. Support विभिन्न related elementहरूलाई पनि support गरिरहेको हुन्छ। यो भयो ICT Strategic Framework को purpose। अर्को छ key elements of the ICT Framework। ICT Framework को key elements हरु। फर्स्टमा रहेको छ governance। Governance भित्र चाहिँ के पर्छ भन्दाखेरि ICT strategy and planning, risk management हरु पर्छ। जस्तै ICT procurement, policy, process and procedure, performance measurements, ICT research measurements, monitoring and compliance, ICT sourcing models जस्ता elements हरु governance भित्र पर्छ। यो government process भयो, policy हरु। अर्को रहेको छ emerging trends and technologies। यसभित्र चाहिँ social media, smartphone and devices, cloud computing, bring your own device, online service जस्ता कुराहरु पर्छन् emerging trends and technology। र अर्को रहेको छ business system and application। business system and application सुन्दैखेरि पनि बिजनेस तिर गयो, बिजनेसमा नै हुने रहेछ भन्ने कुरा हो। बिजनेस भित्र के पर्छ भन्दाखेरि सफ्टवेयर एक्विजिसन, सफ्टवेयर डिजाइन एन्ड डेभलपमेन्ट, सफ्टवेयर मेन्टेनेन्स एन्ड म्यानेजमेन्ट, बिजनेस प्रोसेस एनालाइसिस, इन्टिग्रेसन जस्ता कुराहरु चाहिँ बिजनेस सिस्टम एन्ड एप्लिकेशन्स भित्र पर्ने हुन्छ। अर्को रहेको छ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी। यसभित्र नि infrastructure, architecture, virtualization, capacity management, communication and network management, data storage जस्ता कुराहरु infrastructure and technology भित्र पर्छ। अर्को छ IT business community, IT भन्छ। के भित्र पर्यो त इन्फर्मेसन टेक्नोलोजी भन्ने कुरा भयो। यसभित्र पनि भयो disaster recovery, contingency planning, backups, replication जस्ता कुराहरु पर्ने भयो। अर्को छ security पनि के भित्र पर्ने भयो त ICT framework भित्र। यसभित्र चाहिँ access management, audit, remote access, incident management, reporting, response जस्ता कुराहरु पर्ने भयो। अर्को छ प्रोजेक्ट म्यानेजमेन्ट। प्रोजेक्ट म्यानेजमेन्ट गर्ने यो नि आइसिटीले नै गर्न गर्छ प्रोजेक्ट इनिसिएसन प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिङ एक्जिक्युसन जस्ता कुराहरू यसमा पर्ने भयो मोनिटरिङ गर्ने कन्ट्रोलिङ प्रोजेक्टलाई प्रोजेक्ट क्लोज गर्ने जस्ता कुराहरू प्रोजेक्ट म्यानेजमेन्टभित्र पर्छ अर्को छ इन्फर्मेसन म्यानेजमेन्ट विभिन्न इन्फर्मेसनहरूलाई म्यानेजमेन्ट गर्ने काम इन्फर्मेसन म्यानेजमेन्ट जुन चाहिँ आइसिटी फ्रेमवर्कको केभिन्सभित्र रहेको हुन्छ र ICT Policy Framework. ICT Policy Framework is a set of principles and goals intended to govern the development, implementation, adoption, monitoring, evaluation, and application of ICT in organizations, institutions, and societies or nations. विभिन्न क्षेत्रहरूमा पनि भएछ गभर्नमेन्टको कुराहरू सोशल गभर्नमेन्टहरूको सोसाइटीको कुराहरू अर्गनाइजेसन इन्स्टिट्युसनभित्र दिस comprehensive publication provides background information for scholars and researchers who are interested in carrying out research on ICT policies and promotes the understanding of policies guiding technology. भयो ICT Policy Framework. Literacy. ICT literacy is using digital technology, communications tools, network to assess, manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information in order to function in a knowledge society. ICT literacy components of ICT literacy मा 5 वटा component पर्छ त्यसमा assess, manage, integrate, evaluate, create. Assess भनेको के हो knowing about and knowing how to collect and retrieve information. Management को applying and existing organization or classification scheme भयो अर्को रहेछ integrate interpreting and representing information. It involves summarizing, comparing and contrasting. अर्को छ evaluate judgment गर्ने making judgment about quality, relevance, usefulness, or efficiency of information. Create generating information by adapting, applying, designing, inventing, or authoring information. Create गर्ने पनि ICT literacy गर्छ विभिन्न भयो अर्को छ proficiency of ICT literacy. यसमा 3 वटा छ एउटा cognitive proficiency, technical proficiency, ICT proficiency. Then cognitive proficiency, the desired fundamental skills of everyday life at school, at home, at work, literacy, numeracy, problem solving, and spatial or visual literacy demonstrate these proficiencies. Cognitive अर्को technical proficiency भनेको basic components of digital literacy. It includes a fundamental knowledge of hardware, software application, networks, and elements of digital technology. अर्को छ ICT proficiency, the integration and application of cognitive and technical skill र cognitive skill को integration चाहिँ ICT proficiency हो. ICT proficiencies are seen as enablers, that is, they allow individuals to maximize the capabilities of technology at the highest level. ICT proficiencies result in innovation, individual transformation, and societal image. यो भयो ICT literacy को proficiencyहरु तिनवटा छ. अब conclusion. Is the term is used in this framework. ICT includes a wide variety of technologies, including computers and software learning tools, networking system and protocols, handheld digital devices, digital cameras and recorders, and other technologies, including those not yet developed, for assessing, managing, creating, and communicating information, network, computing and communication technologies and media have become essential tools of but practically every profession and trades, including those of lawyers, doctors, artists, historians, mechanics, etc., ICT into every sphere of contemporary life has had profound implications for how people learn in schools, solve practical problems, and function in the workplace. ICT is most important so the demands of ICT study is increasing day by day. ICT चाहिँ दिनानुदिन बढ्दै गइरहेको छ। अहिलेको सिचुएसन पनि त्यस्तै छ हाम्रो, त्यो भएर आइसिटी एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट पनि छ। विभिन्न डिभाइसहरू युज गरेर हामी विभिन्न नलेजहरू गेन गर्न सक्छौँ। फ्रेन्ड्स, आइसिटी इन एजुकेसन यो चाहिँ हाम्रो कोर्स बुक भयो। अनि गुगल बिङ जस्ता रिसर्च इन्जिनहरूबाट चाहिँ मैले खोजेर लेखेको हो। सरी यति नै।